You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? An interesting word and interesting pronunciation here. British English pronunciation, nurturing. Let's break down the pronunciation. Ch. Yes, you have a ch sound, not a t sound, so it's not nurturing, but nurturing. The stress is on the first syllable, nurturing. Now in American English it's said similarly in the US, nurturing. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.